Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shiny Narang, and in this video we are focused on learning some yogic practices to boost metabolism. As we age, it's very natural for the body to actually degenerate and lose the power to digest the food the way it was able to at one point in time. तो धीरे धीरे हमारी पाचन शक्ति और पाचन क्रिया घटती चली जाती है. तो उसको हमें वापस बूस्ट करने के लिए सो दैट वी कैन मेटाबलाइज एवरीथिंग like the way we used to do it in our 20s, we are practicing this set of yogic kriyas and movements. It's a simple practice along session जो आप मेरे साथ अभी कर सकते हैं. Okay? We'll begin this session in a sitting position with little centering. Use a cushion or a block to sit upright with the spine straight. Gently rest your hands on the knees, palms facing upwards. Close your eyes. Take few deep breaths. कुछ गहरा लंबा सांस लेंगे. बॉडी को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. अपनी ब्रेथ को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. Keep the spine straight, eyes closed. Relax the body and breath. Beautiful. Gently open the eyes. हम सबसे पहले क्रिया करेंगे कपालभाति. Kapalbhati, where the breath is going out and the stomach is coming in. So both is happening together. As I exhale from the nose actively, the stomach comes in and there's no need to inhale. अपने आप breath को अंदर आने दीजिए. Only focus on the exhalation. Let's do this together. Keeping the spine straight, we'll do 10 rounds for this. Let's begin. And relax. Close your eyes. Gently open the eyes. We will do one more round of 20 breaths, exhaling from the nose and bringing the stomach in, contracting the belly. Let's go. And relax. Observe your breath. कोशिश करें अपने शरीर को बिल्कुल भी ना हिलाएं डुलाएं. सीधे बैठे, आंखें बंद करके, और सारा ध्यान अपनी सांसों पर लेके आए. Beautiful. Gently open the eyes again. Now we will practice a very beautiful kriya. It's called Agni Sar. It balances the metabolic fire in the body. हमारे अंदर एक जठर अग्नि है जो हमारे डाइजेशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. ये उस अग्नि को बैलेंस कर देता है. तो अगर आपको कॉन्स्टिपेशन, ब्लोटिंग, एसिडिटी, IBS ये सब इश्यूज हैं तो आपको ये प्रैक्टिस ज़रूर करना चाहिए थोड़े टाइम के लिए, एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 राउंड्स, ताकि आपका जो डाइजेशन है, मेटाबॉलिज्म बैलेंस हो जाए. टू लर्न दिस क्रिया, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व वंस. हम क्या करेंगे, पहले सांस को बाहर निकालेंगे शरीर से, कंप्लीटली एक्सेल, देन ब्रिंग द चिन क्लोज टू द चेस्ट, लॉक द नेक. यूज योर हैंड टू क्लोज द नोज ऑल्सो. नाक को बंद कर लेंगे ताकि ना सांस अंदर आए ना बाहर जाए. आपको सांस ना तो मुंह से भरनी है ना नाक से. सांस को बाहर छोड़ के रोकना है और उसके बाद पेट को अंदर बाहर हिलाना है. We'll move the stomach in and out. So it looks like this. Watch once. और जब भी आपको सांस लेनी हो, अपना हेड ऊपर करके सांस भर सकते हैं. तो हम इसको 2 से 3 बार करेंगे. जितनी बार मर्जी आप इसे स्ट्रोक्स को कर सकते हैं. अगर आपने ये पहली बार कर रहे हैं तो 3 या 4 स्ट्रोक्स या 5 स्ट्रोक्स भी काफ़ी हैं. If you are in practice, you can go up to 10 strokes, 15 strokes, 20 strokes as well. Till the time you can hold the breath out, you can keep moving your stomach in and out. और जब आपको सांस लेने की ज़रूरत महसूस हो तो वापस चेहरा ऊपर करके हाथ हटाकर सांस भर लें. Let's do this together. Closing the nose after the exhalation. And relax. Observe the breath. If you are in practice and if you can do it without the hand, वो भी चलेगा. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको हाथ से नाक को बंद करना ही है, लेकिन फॉर बिगनर्स इट्स एडवाइजेबल ताकि आप श्योर हों कि ना आप सांस भर रहे हैं ना छोड़ रहे. ओके, सो गोइंग फॉर द सेकेंड राउंड, आई एम यूजिंग माई हैंड फॉर कन्वीनियंस. लेट्स गो. Observe your breath. If you feel tired, you can do it till here only. No need to do the third round. If you feel comfortable, तो हम third round भी करेंगे. This time try to go a little faster with your strokes. थोड़ा सा जल्दी करेंगे, पेट को अंदर बाहर, and maintain that calmness in the body. Don't worry. Let's go. Coming back to the center. Observe how you feel. And gently open the eyes. Beautiful. This is one practice you should be doing at least once or twice a day on an empty stomach. खाली पेट ही करना है इसको सुबह, हफ्ते में 1 या 2 दिन ज़रूर. So now let's go further. अब हम करेंगे कुछ dynamic postures, some movement oriented postures. इसको बैठ के ही करेंगे. Use a cushion or a pillow to sit on a heighted platform. And now stretch the legs out away from each other. If this is too difficult, if you want to sit on the floor, that's also okay. Now we will do Merudand Vakrasana to begin with, which means we'll take the hands to the side and try to touch the right hand to the left toe and left hand to the right toe. If your hands are too far, you can also touch your knees like this. And we do this dynamically, which means continuously moving. So let's go. Going for the right, left, and keep twisting. Breathe in and breathe out normally. Right, left, right, left. Keep twisting. You can also touch your shin bone or your knee. If you're flexible, you can go all the way to your foot. Now slowly, as you're moving, take the other hand back and look towards your back hand. You continue, I'm just showing you from this side. I will demonstrate so you know that where is the other hand going. I'm looking back towards my hand as I continue to twist. Very nice. Look back. Stretch both the hands. Elbows are straight. Go for it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gently come back to center. Breathe in and breathe out. Observe. धीरे से अपनी सांस पे ध्यान दें. The next posture is with the same leg position. Legs को आपको open करके रखना है. Push your heels out. Toes are pointing towards the face. Now we will practice Chakki Chalan Asana. Again, it's a dynamic posture. Observe it once. We'll interlock the fingers, elbows straight रखेंगे. Now we will bend towards one leg, go forward, bend towards the other leg and go as back as possible. जितना पीछे जा सकते उतना अच्छा. और वापस जाके complete करेंगे एक circle. So this one circle is about 360 degree. पूरा rotation हमें करना है. We'll do 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. Let's go. Extend your arms with me now. Going for the first round. Exhale as you go forward. Inhale as you go back. Exhale. Inhale. Push your heels out. Second round. Completing the third. Go forward as much as possible. Go back as much as possible. Fourth round. And fifth one. Now we will reverse the direction from the other side. Going for it. Very nice. Go back. And forward. Stretch to the sides also. Make a big circle. 2 more to go. Stretch your body. Last one. And come back to center. Observe your breath. Inhale, exhale. Gently bring the feet together. धीरे से पैरों को पास में लेके आएंगे. And we will join the sole of the feet. Do few rounds of butterfly to relax the hips, relax the body. Just moving the knees up and down. Very nice. With a smile on the face, feeling the energy that your body is generating with this beautiful practice. We will do one last kriya, one last movement actually. It's called Nauka Sanchalan, which is similar to rowing a boat. So for this, we will extend the legs in the front, keep them joined. पैरों को मिला के रखेंगे. Now watch once. Inhale, raise the arms up over the head. Exhale, we'll go forward completely and then lean back till the time we can control and come up again. In this position, we started here, we will come to this position in between for sure. तो हर बार इस position को middle में लेके आएंगे and then we'll do 5 forward rotations, 5 back, reverse. So let's begin. Raise the arms up, push the heels out, straighten your legs, toes pointing toward your face. If your knees are slightly bent, that's also okay. Let's go. Exhale. Going back. and up. One round. Second, exhale. Inhale as you go back and rise up. Third, exhale. Rising up. Fourth, exhale. Inhale as you go back and up. Last one. Exhale. Inhale, rise up. Now from here we will do the reverse. Now we will start backwards first. You can adjust yourself if you need to keep the knees slightly bent. वो भी चलेगा. Let's go. Back first. Inhale. Exhale. Fold forward. And then come up. Inhale back. Exhale up. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Two more. Back. Exhale forward. Last one. Inhale back. Exhale forward. And gently rise up. Come to the starting position. Release the hands. Bend your knees. And come back to butterfly again. Just breathe in and breathe out. Keep the spine straight. And gently take any sitting posture that keeps you happy, that keeps your spine straight. Use a cushion or a block if you need. This naturally lengthens your spine. Automatically, spine straight ho jati hai. We will take few deep breaths here. Keeping the hands on the knees, palms facing up. Close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. And gently bring the palms together, rub your palms. And cover the eyes. Blink your eyes softly and look at the palms. I hope you enjoyed this practice. ये सारे डायनामिक पॉस्चर्स और अग्निसार क्रिया आप अपने वार्म अप में इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ एन एक्सलेंट वार्म अप बिफोर यू बिगिन योर full 1 hour yoga practice. Even if you don't have time for 1 hour practice, you can still do this 15-20 minutes of practice every single day. It's very beneficial. अग्निसार क्रिया आपको हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार ही करना है. Rest of the things you can do every day. Okay? So I hope you found this beneficial and you will be continuing with this. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, namaste.